Welcome back to the JC Tech and Finance channel, guys. Today, I have a very special unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Q930B Samsung home audio system. This is Samsung's second best system behind only the Q990B. It is a 9.1.4 sound system, and what that means is that it comes with one subwoofer and 4 up-firing speakers. And also, for the first time ever, for Samsung's second best sound system, is that it now comes with rear speakers. Now, this video is all about the unboxing process. I'll save my full review for a later video. But for now, we'll get to the unboxing right after this. Welcome back. Now let's start with the unboxing. So in the box, we have the soundbar that is in a magnetic finish. As you can see, it has wireless Dolby Atmos, a 9.1.4 speaker system, and it has the Q Symphony feature that only works with the latest Samsung TVs. Now let's put this to the side. You have the rear speakers. You have the plugs for the rear speakers. You have the rear speakers themselves. These speakers definitely seem bigger. Okay, so that box was a little unwieldy, so I got everything out of the box and we will go over what was inside. So first up, we have the subwoofer. It comes in a metallic finish. It is also a wireless subwoofer, and it is 8.3 inches times 15.9 inches times 15.9 inches. And before I forget, the soundbar is 43.7 inches times 2.4 inches times 4.7 inches. Oh, and also, in case you're trying to figure out how to place the rear speakers, the power cords are about 5 feet long. And then finally, we have this box. And in this box, we have the user manual. We have additional instructions. We have several power cords, one for the soundbar, one for the subwoofer. We have an HDMI cable as well. You know, that's one thing I like about Samsung. They provide everything that you need, unlike a certain other TV system. Apple. With Apple, they never provide the HDMI cable, so you always have to buy your own, which can be quite annoying when you're ready to watch some TV, but you can't plug the Apple TV into the actual television. It also comes with the L brackets in case you want to install your soundbar on the wall. It comes with the rubber feet in case you want to put the soundbar below the television. It also comes with the remote and batteries, which again, kudos to Samsung for always providing everything that you need. So on the remote, it has the power on and off button, the source button, the Bluetooth pairing button, the play pause button, mute, info, volume rocker, channel levels, tone control. It has a lot of buttons. It looks like the remote that older Samsung TVs used to have before they became solar charged. Now on the bar, we have volume on and off. There are a lot of speakers in the soundbar. There is digital optical audio in, HDMI loop through and audio in. It has a USB socket, it has a DC power pack connector. On the subwoofer itself, it has rubber feet underneath. It has mains input. It has LED lights at the back. By the way, if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe so that it goes out to more people. And also, if you want to see other unboxings and first impressions. Now let's get this all set up and let's hook it up to the television and go from there. In conclusion, what makes this soundbar great when compared to the flagship soundbar is that you get 80% of the features of the Q990B soundbar for 65 to 70% of the cost. I got this soundbar for $10.99 on sale at Best Buy, when the Q990B cost about $1,600 on sale. Hopefully this video has helped you during your soundbar buying process. Comment down below and let me know what TV you're upgrading from. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.